Well, we're finally off to the shop to get these fenders on, and it's been a morning. It's been a morning. I drove, got everything that I had at the house together, and shot my butt on down to my truck. Load the thing up. Well, get ready to load the thing up. And I realized I left the most essential piece to doing this. That would be the keys. So I dropped a couple things off then, and then shot back to the house in my vehicle. And I go home and I'm like, well, I'm gonna grab her vehicle so I wasn't gonna pick the other parts up from the other yard. I was just gonna use the truck, grab the parts, then go. Well, since I had to go all the way back home, I said, well, let me go grab this vehicle because it's a little easier for me to load stuff in it. Look at this K100. This is a project they're building for a guy, and you know, he's fully restoring it from the top to the bottom, front to the back. It's gonna be a cool truck to see on the road. I always wanted one. I might have to find me one around here for some local work or something like that. And this Pete they're doing. The panels and all that. Stretched it out. Building a deck plate for it. I think, is this the one they're doing the axle on? Or no, I think that one, they're doing the axle on one of these two, that whole rear end on it. This 59 over here, when the guy started, when he bought it and started building this truck, the guy bought a brand new E-model motor to put in it and swapped it out and was driving it with that in there. So it's pretty cool. But now he's gonna stretch it and restore the whole thing too on this. So they got a couple trucks they're putting together here. You see my girl hiding back there. I think that thing broke an axle or something there. Boy, what the heck these boys doing? All right, y'all. Today, came to pick the old truck up. My boy Jeremy Williams hooked me up with this place out here in, what is this? Plant City area, kinda. No, this would be more like Lakeland area, Florida. Helped me get some things straightened out on the W9. Here picking this old Joker up. Quite happy. Like I gotta go wash it. The thing is filthy. It's got dirt from the yard and work and all that sitting on it. So now here she is, and here comes the man himself right here. It's the man that helped me out big time right here. He did all the work for me. Yeah. These guys are creating magic. See?
Looking at her body hair.
Getting it together.
Get more tonight.
Can't wait to wash it. Really see what she looked like. Down here in the bottom, picking up that produce. This taco truck right here. Saved my life. I'm hungry. Hope I don't have that them taco guts later. Ain't nothing worse than them taco guts. You driving down the highway and you realize what went in is ready to come out. And right now, I had a pretty bad incident once leaving Laredo and got to San Antonio, man. I had like parked on the side of the little feeder roads in San Antonio and like ran in this little mom and pop truck stop, boy. But I had the tacos I had in Laredo was worth it. They was good as hell. But yeah, we over here picking up this produce. Gonna do something a little different this week. Gonna head out to Alabama. It's a Piggly Wiggly out there. I ain't been to that Piggly Wiggly out there in some years. And so, yeah, we got that new light bar on, well, center panel on with the lights. I like the way it looks. It's really gonna make me do some more things around it. I can't wait till y'all see it with the trailer. Oh man, it's gonna be killer. But it looks pretty good. We're walking back to the truck now. After we load the produce, now you gotta load ice into that ice machine. Little cold blitz came through, and man, look at this. A whole bunch on my trailer too. Crazy. Well, just got done unloading a bunch of produce, and as you seen, they were putting that ice on the produce, and that sometimes can make the trailer kind of nasty. And yeah, it's kind of nasty. But ice right here down the front of the truck from the ice melting in the trailer. So now I'm about to crank up the heat in the reefer. That way it'll melt it all down, and then I get my leaf blower out and then blow the crap out and go get some Some cheese. Go get some cheese. They like your floor pretty clean and dry, so look at this. Look at all that. That's from just both sides of it. All the ice. Watch this. Take zoom this a little bit. Look at that mess. Look at that mess. Salt and ice. Salt and ice. Ice and corn everywhere. You know, heat this thing up and get it clean.
Probably should be able to take a break. I know. Feel